Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be showing you how I blow dry my hair. I will be showing you the products and how I manage to go from frizzy hair to straight hair. I got out of the shower a few hours ago and I let my hair air dry. It is important to have your hair at least 65% dry already. This will make your blow drying process easier and it will save you way more time. And today I want to show you how I use the Revlon One Step Blow Dry Brush. I also grabbed these clips which are perfect to just grab your hair when you are doing sections. Now that my hair is divided in sections, I will be using a protectant spray. This is great to detangle, protect from any heat, and give a shine. Since my hair is so thick and frizzy, I like to go in with high speed. This is just in the beginning to manage my hair, to have more control, and it's easier to just break down any curls. I also make sure to always focus on the roots and work my way down. Once I get to the bottom of my hair, I make sure not to leave the brush too long because this is what creates split ends and damage hair. What I love about this dryer brush is that you can do your hair in 15 to 20 minutes. And this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed it. See you on my next video. Bye.